Okay, able to hear you. Yes, yes.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Team, you can give congratulate. Praveen, I'm just congratulating for your
Thanks, thanks.
profile.
Thanks.
So
Thank you so much.
8.5 years of experience, you can achieve like an, I would say like, you can tell me to the people. I'm not telling
All
the
right.
salary and all.
Okay,
So
okay.
this is like a kind of a big achievement. So I'm
Right,
just inviting to Praveen also telling the like a kind of a motivation.
right. Basic, I'll start from my resignation. So
Okay.
what happened is I was working as a lead data engineer itself. So I was a lead there. We completed as actually I'm a data engineer from past 8 years, but because every time we need a brush up, right? So we need to have some
Exactly.
learning also every time. It's need to be there because it's data engineering. Every time new things will be coming up, and we need to learn each and every part of it, right? Uh, Coming to my resignation, so what happened is I was doing well, but there was no recognition at all. Um, there is not even a single recognition because I delivered like almost 6 pipelines, I think. Yeah, 6 pipelines
Mm.
that has like batch and stream, but that is into GCP. But
Ah,
so
ah.
all of a sudden, manager was like coming to me and saying
Mm,
like you have a performance issue. I said,
mm,
where I have the performance issue, just show me that. And he was also mentioning like a lot of escalations were happening and all.
mm,
And all of
mm,
a sudden, one day after the new year, so he
mm.
came to me and I said you need to move to the support plan.
Oh.
And I was in a shock actually what happened and all. So I was talking to HR and also
Mm-hmm.
I was talking to manager why all these things were happening because I was like data engineer. I was doing well. Everything was fine.
Okay.
But one day there was a meeting happened with me, manager and HR, and they were mentioning like how you don't have an option. You have to move to the support plan. So they were
Mm-hmm.
showing some plan and all. I said no, I don't want to go with that because it's not my skill set at all. So I'm not going to do that. So
Okay.
on the spot, what they were saying is like, you have another option called you need to resign. So that is the only option you have. And
Okay.
the other option would be you need to go move to the support team. So
Okay.
I have confidence. I chose to resign. So they gave me like
Mm.
2 months of notice period. After that day itself, I got this vision board class actually. So I
Okay.
joined. I joined in the day before itself. I joined and I was uh, I was registered. And after that day, and I think my resume also I tailored it from what's her name? I forgot.
Ashuri, right? Ashuri.
Ashwati, yeah, yeah.
Yes.
So
We
she
told
sent,
initially show your resume also. I
yeah,
was
yeah,
agree that will be good actually. Bit some kind of thing will be, but it will be good actually.
right. So, but after her, like she sent some documents.
Ah.
So I went through that. So I
Mm-hmm.
went through that and I tailored my resume and submitted on LinkedIn. So after one day itself, I got like some 100 calls.
Nice.
One day itself,
Ah.
like after
That's the power
tailoring,
of resume, right? The
yeah,
direction, career
after
direction is playing a vital role.
right after
Uh-huh.
after one tailoring into the I've added
Mm.
this Azure part and Databricks. So all those things I've added. So
Uh-huh.
after that, next day itself in LinkedIn, I saw like 100 messages on my chat actually. So
Uh-huh.
I was surprised. So this is like power of resume I'm seeing there. So
Uh-huh.
that's what I thought. And after that, even I was also going through your batch 9 recordings, right? So that were like very helpful. So like it was very helpful to me actually. Um, Databricks, PySpark. So those are like I've I have attended like 100 interviews. If you can remember, if I can remember, I was attended
Uh-huh.
like 100 interviews. In
Uh-huh.
every interview, I see the same question from your document itself, not like beyond
Exactly.
that, not like beyond that. That the only thing is like the change of what do you call it? The change of the question. What
Mm.
they were asking is like it's the question has been changing here and there. So
Mm.
that is the only difference I saw. Even
Okay.
PySpark coding questions also, right? Majorly,
Uh-huh.
it was all from your
From
document itself,
okay.
from your document. Even I don't even know Fabric, right? I don't know Fabric. When I went through your recording on the Fabric, right? Then I cracked like the first job I cracked is like on the Fabric itself because they gave me they gave me this what do you call they gave me the assessment. So in that assessment there were like a lot of questions. Based
Okay.
mostly it was Fabric. So what they
Uh-huh.
were doing is like they were moving Databricks pipelines to the Fabric. So I've
Hmm.
answered every question. I've answered
Oh,
each and every question, and even I did the design also, like
okay.
based on
Everything
your
you did, right?
everything,
There.
everything I
Okay.
did. So on next day itself they released the offer, but that was the first one, and after that I got an offer from Quantech. So that is also
Uh-huh.
it was totally Databricks.
Hmm.
So they were like looking for a Databricks developer mostly. So their client was a Databricks itself. So
Oh,
yeah, their major
directly
client
client
was
also Databricks, right?
Databricks.
So which made
Yeah,
the
they
interview
want.
was also tough.
It was very tough. Like
Okay.
second round was
Uh,
it was very tough. He was asking what he was asking. I don't remember, but mostly he was asking database questions itself, like how you can optimize, how you can
oh,
auto load, like what is an auto loader and
all
how you
order
can.
is the ordering,
Uh,
these kind of stuff.
yeah,
Right? Okay.
totally. It was those
Mm-hmm.
questions, but uh, it was a magic for me actually. I
Uh-huh.
can say that it was a magic actually. Um I cracked totally like nine offers.
Okay.
All in nine, seven were top, and others were it was around 10-15% of hike, but others were mostly like 40 to 50%. So
Okay.
all other six or seven like they were totally like 40 to 50% of hike.
Uh-huh.
So
Okay.
and also the other one, this was like totally the last I've selected is like Coforge,
Uh-huh.
right? So I thought of joining there because they were also like insisting me. We need a
Join you
person.
there, right?
We need a person immediately who can join. So
Okay.
yeah, the joining was 26th. So
Uh-huh.
the joining was 26th. And 24th, I emailed my manager to give me 25th was the last working day. He approved it. And what happened 24th evening itself, I got a call
Uh-huh.
from EasyML.
Oh,
Uh, EasyML, like he was looking my resume and he was saying like it was a great fit. So I just want to reach you, and it was a remote position. Even
okay.
from the starting itself, I was looking for a remote position. It was
Uh-huh.
totally remote.
Oh.
So he just spoke to me in 1 hour.
Uh-huh.
What he was saying is like, if you can give me an assurance, I can onboard you tomorrow. So that
Oh,
is what.
that kind of thing he called me. Right? You can see the power, right? So,
Yeah,
I mean, I would say I would just congratulate him because nine off letter is like a single one. So,
yeah,
Praveen took whoever insult to, right, Praveen, in front of the
yes.
people. Right?
Even
So
yeah,
you took a decision. I want to resign. I want to show them that is the one thing
right.
will change your life. 8.5 years, 45, 40 for LP is like a not an easy task. I would say again. Okay. Because
Yes,
10 plus years only can able to touch like an
right,
15
right.
these things. But you did like an amazing job. Even nine offer letters.
Even
Okay.
they were mentioning like we were looking
Uh,
for like some around 9-10 years experience, but
uh,
by looking at your resume we were like considering it for their for the higher positions. So that was they
exactly.
mentioned.
Rather than I would say not a resume. Resume is a playing a
Yeah,
vital role, but how you prepared, right?
right.
You deserve a lot of things in the company. You put a lot of commitment, but no one like can recognize you are a kind of a gem. That was the thing. That was the
Yes,
wrong decision. I would say like that manager and HR was to.
right, right.
Majority of the people are sitting like this. But you
Yeah.
put the effort from the comfort zone, what will happen? You get like and more things
E-
are waiting for you.
Even
Right?
my friend
Uh,
suggested is like why haven't you took that support plan? Why you
mm,
have resigned it? You should have
mm,
took it as a challenge and you should have completed it. Then I said
yeah.
no, I don't want to do that because that is not my skill set.
Mm,
I have a confidence that I can get another job, but I
exactly.
haven't I haven't I haven't thought like I'll be going this far, because
Uh,
it was totally around close to 50%, like
okay.
49%. I say it was like
Mm-hmm.
49% of like um, I haven't thought that actually, but with your all those documents and all those classes where I went through, right? Even
Other
I
than
thought,
your, I would say like the resume, your effort, everything you did.
right, right,
When you can see in the chat, right? Now you are inspiration for majority of you can see in the, you can able to see in the chat, right? Maybe you can
right.
give a thank you to them also. They are also
Thank you so
motivated.
much. Actually, yeah, yeah, it was the major.
Exactly.
I have my 50%, but 50% was from Vision Board. So that was I was very thankful to you guys actually. Even I got an on-site opportunity for Dubai, so
Oh,
I rejected
really?
that because yeah,
Okay, 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 got it.
the
So
first
it was
one,
mm,
yeah, first one was a that was an Oman, no, Jordan opportunity. So that was the
okay.
first one, but
Mm,
I don't want to go there because it's like okay,
exactly.
but
You want to go to
yeah,
on-site and all, right?
yeah,
Yes.
because even I got Dubai opportunity, but
Uh-huh.
I rejected it because of the family and all. I just don't want to go there, and I thought of like
Mm-hmm.
um, um, staying back here itself. Even I joined this company yesterday, 26th itself. So
Uh-huh.
it's been like 2 days already. Like in one day, I was
Praveen, you
like
have a
onboarded.
power. I would say like you are a power. It's the best decision you took in your life, like and
Yeah,
rather
right.
than going into the support. If you know, when I was working in Wipro, right, I got some kind
Mm,
of a these plan. So that time I decide I never want to. I would want to pay. I would put, that one of the decision changed my
right,
life
right.
completely. So when
Yes.
you share your story, right? So when I remember that kind of a phase, so everyone we need to out from the comfort zone. That is very important because
Yeah.
out from the comfort zone, whatever you are showing, right, it's like a it's kind of a highly motivation. I'm just giving a one congratulations
Well,
from your from my end.
thank you so
Okay.
much. Yeah, yeah. Thanks for that actually, because without you guys, I couldn't able to crack this because it was very helpful. But I haven't joined live classes, but the recordings itself I went through because even I've gone through your interview mock interviews, even um, what do you call it? The job, not job description. When the interview starts, right, they'll be asking about our backgrounds and all, so previous
Mhm.
projects and all. So those also, from there itself, I took like a lot of information actually. I prepared a document also, like I prepared
Nice.
I prepared like
Nice.
total end-to-end pipeline also. So, and
Uh,
also I prepared the interview questions also, I prepared from those things, and also like challenges, what are the challenges would be will be
everything.
facing. So everything was there. So I just took those notes and I was like preparing on those itself. And other than that, like interview questions was like very helpful actually. I say that. Yeah,
Got it,
that was
Praveen.
very good. Yeah.
That is really because you upskill because everyone is
Mm.
upskilling, right?
Right.
Without upskilling, we cannot able to jump. Everyone know people are upskilling and joined a company, so that is
Right. Right.
absolutely fine. And I think in the coming days, we need your support also in the Vision
No,
Board
sure,
community
sure. I'll
as a
be
mentor because you can
even.
able to guide the people.
Right, right. Even I was also saying, right, my wife is also looking for a change. So I
Exactly,
sent you a
exactly.
resume.
She's
Yeah,
also there. I will take care.
yeah.
Don't need to worry.
Right.
Okay, because within 4 months, she's also get like a good package. You will be
Right,
settled. Okay.
right. Thank you so much. Thank you very much for like even
Okay.
I'm very thankful to you guys people. Like you were amazing. So it's yeah.
Thank you, Praveen. Thanks for your word.
Thanks.
These words will motivating us also, right?
Right, right. Even
So
yeah.
at least helping, not telling we are fully helping. At least we can
Right,
whatever we can do our maximum. At least getting the offer letter. So this is only
right.
like a human thing we can do from our end, right?
Yeah, yeah. Because yes,
Okay. So
yes.
your wife would be settled. For May, max
That's fine.
May, we will be getting another offer letter with a good
All right. Thanks.
letter. Okay, I will take care. Don't need to
Yeah,
worry.
sure, sure. Thank
Okay.
you so much.
Thanks.
Yep.
One more thing, team. I just want to announce to Praveen gift also. Praveen, you are another winner from your package and all. Like, and I would say like an 8.5
Mm.
years, 45 LP is not an easy one, and 9 offer letter. So I
Right.
would say like an 6,000 would be the like a gratitude
Sure.
gift. So we will be sharing soon. You are from Praveen?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Obviously, I'm
Mm.
not able to reach there with my
No,
schedule.
that's fine.
If I will come, definitely we can meet.